Okay guys. Ay, mali. Sorry. Time check. 5:13. So, andito kami sa Gubat Terminal. Tapos nandyan, sa likuran namin. Nandyan. Ayun. Here. Meron ng sakayan. We're going to the Centro. And then from there, we're gonna eat breakfast. And then we're going to travel to Matno. So, see you again later. Diba, ayan na. Sunrise na. Bye! Good morning, you all. Time check, madam.
5:20
Oh,
a.m.
ayan. 5:20 a.m. So, ayan. Nasa terminal kami ng Gubat.
Yun dapat makita yung
Sunrise na.
Kita pa to.
Hindi pa. So, andon. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo doon, meron siyang bus, minibus. So, diyan kami sasakay.
Baba.
Papuntang sentro muna kami. And then we're gonna eat breakfast there kasi marami daw kainan. Instead of SM Sorsogon. And then from there are mga transpo going to Matnog na.
Okay.
So see you again later.
Bye.
Bye!